Alrighty, hey everybody, I'm Kevin Lampron, and in this video, we're going to show you how fast and how easy it is to create your first landing page. So, once you're already in your own personal dashboard, which you should have created in step number 4 in our 7 simple steps, you'll be in this area right here. And once you're in this area right here, all you need to do is go to Pages, and then go to Add New, left click on Add New. And once you click on Add New, then you're going to name your page that you want to call it. And in this case, we're just going to call it Demo Page 1. And then you come right over here to the right side and then just click Publish. Then after that, then what you're going to do is you're just going to click on Edit with the Architect. Then you're gonna, once you get to your page, it's right here. You're gonna see that your content or your content builder is gonna be here. And just to let you know that your content builder, your element bar that's right here, this might be on your left side. And if it's on your left side, then all you have to do is click the little gear that's right here, and then you can switch sides. So, for example, I will switch back sides. So here's where it would probably, if this is the first time that you've used it. And so basically what you do is just click on the gear, and then right down here it says switch side editor, or switch editor side, and then you can come over here. And that's where I like to have it, is switching the editor side over here. And then after you've done, and if you're back over here and you're seeing your editor bar like this, then all you need to do is click the gear again, and then go right here where it says Template Setup. Then just go click on Template Setup, and then choose Landing Page. So then we choose Landing Page, and then we're already here. And then you just click on a landing page that you want to use. And then we'll go ahead and use this mini squeeze page right here, and then we'll go ahead and left click on that, and you'll see there's a bunch of them that are right here. And then we'll just choose a really simple one really fast, without any video, without anything else. And we'll choose this Lead Generation 3. And then choose template, and then that's going to load up really fast, and then you're going to see that it's already there. It's the template is changing successfully, and you're going to see that it's going to load up on your page, and here it is. It's already set up right there. Boom, it's already done. It's starting to propagate already. And then now all you have to do is just edit it. So one of the main things that we're going to do here is you can basically do anything that you want with this. So let me go ahead and see if I have any pictures in the background here. Let's see. So basically what you'll do is you'll click this gear again, and then we'll go to Template Setup, and then you'll see Landing Page Settings, and then you'll see that there's an image here already, and you will click that, and then we'll click on the image itself, not the pencil, but we'll click on the image, and then we'll go ahead and select it to a Bitcoin one, because that's already what I have back there. And you'll see that it's already selected this whole big thing. And let me see what happens if I do a default. It's the same thing. Let me unstatic it. Default. It's already pretty big. All right, so we'll apply that. So that's where it's going to be. And if we want to lower, and then basically now we got that. Let's just say we want to darken this picture up in the background a little bit. Right? We could do that too if we really wanted to. So all we have to do is click on this, and as you can see, the whole background changed. And then all we got to do is just basically just do it like that, and change the transparency. There it is. Click Apply, and now you have an awesome popping background, or you have the background picture that has a little bit. It's a little bit darker than the front of it. And then now you have this popping out, and it's showing everybody, hey, simply the best way to create landing pages. Well, let's just say that we like the ad copy on here, but we want to change the colors that is on here. So let's go ahead and click on the words, and we're going to actually hover over all of this. And because it's green, it's highlighted green, saying that we're fixing the heading. Up here it says heading as well, and over here it's saying heading, right? So, but right now it's showing the font color is green because that's what this is. That's green. We're going to go ahead and left click on that, and we're going to change it to orange. And then we're going to click away, and we're going to see that it's changed to orange. Now we're going to go ahead and come down to right here where it says get instant access. we're going to click right in the middle of this form. Now it's saying lead generation here, and then lead generation here. And then all we have to do now is where it says edit form elements, we're going to click on that. And then we're going to click on the form or on the button itself. And then if we want to change get instant access, we can. All we got to do is do this now and say get more Bitcoin today, right? And then put a T in there. There you go. And then we can click update, and it says get more Bitcoin today. Now this kind of looks like it needs some padding on it, and that's the theme that I'm using. So let me go ahead and fix the padding a little bit on this so that the words aren't so close. I mean, I could shrink the type or the font size, but I kind of want the font size to be big like that. So in order for me to do that, I got to fix the padding from the words in that button. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and then right here it's at 13. So you can see this is a box, right? So the box, let's pretend this is the box. So this would be the outside of the box, and if I add more to it, it's just going to push the box down. But if I go from the inside of it, it's going to push this down from the inside of the box. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go 15. And as you see, it did a little bit. Let's go 25. That's too much. Maybe we'll just do 20. So there's 20. And then let's do 15 on this one, because that one already looks like it's got quite a bit. There you go. That looks pretty perfect. That looks perfect right there. So it looks good. But we want to change the font color. So let's go ahead and change the font color there. So we're going to go ahead and click on the linear gradient, and then we're going to go ahead and click orange. There you go. And then we're going to click on this side and click orange again. But let's just say that we want one side to be darker than the other. So then over here, then we can just move this over just a little bit. And then there we go. So now it's that color. So we're going to actually take that color. And actually, I could probably just save it. So now I saved that light color. And then we're going to apply that. And then let's just say that I want this to change side to side when I hover over it. So the way that we do that is, you see up here where it says state and it's default. I'm just going to go ahead and click on that and go to hover. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this and I'm going to flop that. So over here, well, actually I'll go back over here. We're going to make this the dark one. And then over here, we're going to make this one the light one. There it is, right? So now we're going to apply that, and then we're going to exit out of that. So now when you see how that does that, pretty cool, right? I think that's pretty awesome. All right, so there we go. So there's our color. But now, if you look, the borders around this is green, but I don't want the green. Maybe we want black instead. So now we got a little black line around it. So let's go ahead and leave it like that. And then I'll leave that as blue as they hover over those as blue like that. That's cool. So we'll leave that alone. And if you want to leave that as the black around it, we can. And then we have it like that. So we're good. Everything looks great. Okay, but we've got one last thing, and that was to be able to hook up our autoresponder. So let's go ahead and click back on it. And so at the very top, it says connect to form service. If you follow the 7 simple steps, once you click on this, you'll notice that your autoresponder of choice should already be listed here, right? So make sure that you follow the 7 simple steps. Mine's Aweber right now. So I click on Aweber, and it's going to load up your list that you've created, right? So here's my demo list. I'm going to go ahead and click continue. And then right now I can have the name here, and I can make that as required as well. And then if I wanted to add more to it, I could by clicking add new field and then put a phone number there. But right now, I just want to go ahead and just leave the name and the email and click next. And then what we can do is we can redirect this to any page that we want to, and all you got to do is click on this and then add whatever URL link that you want, whether it be a thank you page, whether it be a sales page, whether it be an affiliate link to another product or service, anything that you want to go ahead and do. So that's done, and but I'm just going to reload the page, and then you just click save, And then there you go. You're done. You're good to go, and it's all set. And you go down here at the very bottom, and it says save, and you click save. And then we'll go ahead and click these 3 little lines down here, and then preview it. And there you go. There's your demo page. And let's just say that maybe this looks freaking fantastic, but let's just say that you might want to move this down, this whole box down a little bit. So then the only thing that you need to do is you actually, right here, you click on the box, right on the edge of it. Let's just click over here on the edge. Now you've got this content box, right? Then you just kind of scroll down here, and then we'll just go ahead and 75. Let's go 125. Let's click it right there, and then save. And then we'll come over here and then just refresh this. There you go. That looks a lot better. All right, that's perfect. So there you go. There's your page. You're done. It's all good and gravy. And so yeah, so that's it. That's all it is. That's all it takes to do it. And then you're good to go. So with that being said, that's it for creating a basic, simple opt-in page, lead generation page, and you're ready to go. So with that being said, we're going to see you in the next video.